Alright, so tonight I am dining at Rosato's Restaurant, one of the 5 restaurants here at the Fiesta Americana. The menu is quite good. I think I'm gonna go with the tuna tartare, and I also see the beef carpaccio. Need to do that as well, the beef carpaccio. So we're gonna go with 2 appetizers. Actually, you know, it's an all-inclusive. If I want, I can order everything on the menu and then just throw away what I don't want, but I'm not gonna do that. And I think for the main course, I'm gonna go with the duck, the black liqueur duck. That's right, yeah. Okay, there you go. So let's hope this is good. Ooh, pina colada. when in Puerto Vallarta, you must have pina colada or margarita. Beef carpaccio with cheese and some watercress, nice, and a tuna tartare. Nice. See? Definitely appetizer size. You went for the tuna tartare as well, and Caesar salad down over there. Nice. So that looks good. Let me try this and see how I like it. So I think I will begin with the tuna tartare. All right. This, I don't know what that is. We'll throw that away. Alright, so let's put that away here. Alright, there you go. The secret is to try a bit of everything onto the fork. Tuna tartare. It's okay. A little fishy tasting. It's okay. A little cheesy. So this is my my duck. The presentation is lacking. Very. It's just drenched with leaves and stuff. And I don't know what's on top of that, but yeah, we'll see. The presentation on the shrimp is barely better, but hopefully it tastes better than it looks. I say. Yeah. So let's try it. Wasn't a duck I was expecting. I was expecting, well, I guess my mistake. I was expecting fine dining style, but this is not it. How does a restaurant make a duck taste like chicken? Oh well. It's okay. It's okay. I mean, it's edible. It's edible. Okay. So there you go. How was the shrimp?
Absolutely incredible. Really good.
It's good? You liked it? It was really tender good. And everything?
It's
wasn't dry?
No, it's cooked perfectly, not overcooked.
Okay, I guess I ordered the wrong dish then.
A lot of times they overcook shrimp, so it gets a little hard, but this is really good.
Good.
Glad I ordered this.
Yeah. And my pescatore risotto was very tasty.
Your risotto was good, so you like the risotto? Okay, and 2 out of 3 ain't bad, I gotta say that. There you go. Here is the creme brulee. It's an interesting presentation because they put a ring around it. It's like Saturn. But interesting because they removed it from the container that they make it in. And it looks very, very thin crust on top. And, oh, what's ice cream too?
It's from myself. This is
thank you.
Ice cream. This is the best
coconut ice cream. Oh, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll get that a try. Thank you. And that's a tiramisu. Looks like a black and white tiramisu. All right, so let's try this creme brulee here. Break the crust.
Yes.
Yeah, break the crust. Oh yeah.
I having some beans.
I add some of this flavor here. Add some of that. And we're gonna give this thing a try. Creme brulee.
Thank you.
All right. They redeemed themselves. It's a little, yeah. It's good. That creme brulee good. It's very good. I like it. Oh yeah. More wine. Awesome. Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers. Coconut ice cream. All right.
So, what I love about
That's quite good.
It is good.
I taste the coconut. It's not overly powerful. But I just hit the coconut, which is the way I want it, because you know, eating coconut all by itself is kind of but Coconut ice cream is better than the creme brulee.